Oi you lovely lot, welcome back to another video. This is day 3 of day 3 quarantine. So today what we're doing, we are going to take the wheels off them again, give them a deep clean, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll get in the arches, give the brakes and all that a good lovely clean. I have got a knock on the passenger side, so we'll get the torque wrench out and we'll just check it all just to make sure it's done up correctly. So today what we're going to do, we're going to get the wheels off, give them a deep clean, clay bar, iron out, wash, shampoo, all that kind of stuff. I have even got a ceramic coating for the wheels, which my girlfriend bought me for my birthday last year, but because I haven't had the time and I haven't been asked enough, we didn't actually do it. So today is that lovely day. I got told the other day on the last video that people don't like the little cinematics that I'm doing, like opening the door, moving the car and stuff. So I was just a bit like, I kind of disagree with that, because it's like adding a little story in what we're actually doing, rather than having one big long clip of going, I'm opening this door, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. I'd rather give you little segments so it tells a little story in the B-roll as like a cinematic. So without further ado, let's get to the video and let's get cracking. Oh my god, he's washing his mum's car. I've just got to video this, you know, because like your mum's been asking you for months to wash it. What do you think of the snow foam? Any good?
Yeah, it's alright.
Thick, innit? Right, that's what we're going to do. We're going to make sure obviously we've got enough distance between the gap, the wheel and the road, because obviously I've got to get the jack in, axle stands, all that kind of stuff. So we're just going to give it a little distance in away from the curb, and yeah, let's move the car. So what you need to get is 4 axle stands. Obviously your car's got to be, you could do it one at a time, but I'm taking all 4 off at the same time, so the car's going to be balancing on axle stands. Obviously your jack and that as well, and just make sure everything is nice and tight. So let's jack it up and then get the wheels off. Right, and so we got 4 axle stands, jack, and I've got the gun. So yeah, let's go. Right, an axle stand underneath. Right then, let's crack the wheels off. Obviously, because I've done the nut and bolt, I've gone to a stud and nut conversion, so it's a lot easier to take the wheels off and put them on. So literally just so that's one side off, like so. There's the wheels in question, so we're going to do the same on the other side. So yeah, I'll get back to you when they're off. Let's go. Right, and so on axle stands, wheels are off both sides, so let's get to the cleaning. I'll probably focus on one at a time. Might just snow foam them, rinse them off, and what I'll do, I'll bring them up here, and then I'll turn them the other way around, rest the rubber on here, and then I'll be able to clean inside the barrel. So yeah, let's go. So what we're going to do first is we are actually going to just rinse off the wheels. I've just got the pressure washer out, so we're going to just rinse the wheels, get off any dirt that we can, and then what we'll do, get the snow foam out, snow foam it, leave it for 5-10 minutes, let it sud, rinse it off, and then we'll get to the next step. So let's go for the shots. As you can see, there is a lot of brake dust build up. Sometimes they can look pretty clean when you look at that and think, oh yeah, it's really clean, but as soon as the water dries off, they look horrendous. Like look in there, that's so much built up stuff. It's going to be pretty difficult to get rid of, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Give it a bit of snow foam and let it suds in. Go lovely and sudsy, so we've got all wheels with the snow foam, lovely fix dripping snow foam. So we're going to leave that for a couple of minutes and let it work its magic. But on different matters, the lady's just gone to drop off a parcel. She went alright and just dropped it on the floor like, yeah, sound, just throw it on the floor, love, it's sound. Right then, it's time to rinse her off. Jeez. Right then, so I'm going to rinse all the extra snow foam on that's on the back of the wheel, and then we're going to go through some iron out remover, spray the inside of the barrel, and then agitate it with a brush. So yeah, let's rinse it down. Right then, so this is the build up inside the tyre. As you can see, it's not nice at all, to be fair. The wheel looks bashed, man. It looks like that van. So it probably could do with a cheeky little refurb, which I'll probably do when I come to getting tyres and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to clean it up the best I can get it and see how they get on. Right then, so what we're going to spray now, some Bear Care fallout remover. And then I've got my Maguire's brush, which flicks the dirt absolutely everywhere, so be gentle when using this. So yeah, just going to do that. And then agitate the wheel. The state of that already. Right, so I'm going to give it another little rinse. We're going to follow the same process on all 4 wheels, and then rinse it off, and hopefully it etches into some of that dirt and gets some of that grime off. As I said, this does actually flip up the loads onto you. Look at my arm. But look at this one, man. This one's coming up so grim. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse. This one's had a couple of minutes to sit and dew. So I'm going to rinse this one off now, and then by the time I rinse this one off, that one will be ready to be done, and then back onto that one, then that one.
And then just get the abrasives on it and mush it all up. Look at that, man. Oh baby, look at that, man, doing its thing.
Let's show you a little sexy zoom shot. Well, the plan was to ceramic coat these, but the state of these wheels, I don't think I'm going to waste my ceramic coating. I think when the wheels are freshly refurbed, that's when you should do it. There's no point doing it now because the paint's all peeling off on the backs. They look like someone's just painted them with a brush, man. They look crap. Look, as you can see, you can still see like the silver and stuff like that in it. Look, it's like, these are black wheels, so I don't know why they've got this silver there and then like black more in the drum. Like, look, these are pitted to hell. There's no point. There really is no point. I'm actually disappointed. To be fair, so yeah. God. Right, then, so what we're going to do now, we're going to rinse off the rest of the tyre, and then I'm going to use my gel-based wheel cleaner. We're going to get into all the nooks and crannies. Got a detailing brush as well to get in there. Obviously, don't make sure there's no stones or anything in, because it will scratch the rim. So, yeah, let's go for it. Right, so now that the vehicle, well, the wheels are nearly dry, I'm using this quick detailer, and we're going to just give these wheels a bit of a protection, because obviously at the minute they've got nothing on them. Just going to spray all over. And then rub it in with the microfiber. Yeah, I think that's the best I'm really going to get out of the wheels, to be honest. Closely. Right then guys, I've done my fair bit today on the old McGann's wheels. Unfortunately you can't polish turd, and in this case you cannot polish turd. The faces haven't come up that bad, apart from scratches, but look, as you can see, the wheels are battered, so like, watch, I'll try and pull it over. But look at the state of the inside of that wheel. I've ironed out, give it a good old scrub, and the insides are just absolutely battered, unfortunately. So there's not much I can do about the barrel. Like I say, I have literally ironed out, scrubbed the hell out of that, and it just doesn't seem to be doing any good. So I think on that note, I think that's going to be it. I did want to like polish them, ceramic coat them and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not going to waste my time and effort on someone else, because obviously someone else hasn't maintained these wheels. I've got them, tried to clean them up, and they look shit. So yeah, I think that's all for today's video. So what I'm going to do, I think tomorrow will be my last video, and then I'm going to get a couple videos spaced out, so it'll probably be every 2 days or every 3 days, because we'll run out of things to do, trust me. And it doesn't help that I can't get no deliveries and that, so it's going to be a nightmare. I'll see how this turns out. If you manage to watch it till here, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. We're nearly at 10k, 6,500, no, 6,050, sorry. So yeah, catch you on the next one. Peace.